role of the private sector in India. The role of this sector in the economic development of India can be well understood if we consider the following points. Number one, agricultural development. Agriculture forms the principal economic activity in India. It not only consists of cultivation but also some allied activities like dairy, poultry, and piggery development. The production decisions in this sector are undertaken by individuals and private bodies. This sector not only supplies essential food grains to millions but also produces some exportable surplus. Number two, industrial development. Several industries like cotton and jute textiles, sugar, paper, iron and steel, etc. expanded in our country under the initiative of private entrepreneurs. After independence, several private sector enterprises producing a variety of industrial products have come up. Number three, growth in business and trading activities. Private businessmen also played an important role in fostering business and trading activities in India. Economic progress of a country greatly depends on the expansion of such business and trading activities. Number four, growth in national output, saving and capital formation. The importance of the private sector in India can also be assessed in the terms of its contribution to gross domestic product. In 2005-6, the share of the private sector in GDP, GDS and GDCF was about 76%, 93% and 70% respectively. Number 5, market expansion. The consumption expenditure of the private sector on final goods also contribute to the expansion of markets for all such products within the economy. Number 6, growth in small scale and cottage industries. Different types of small scale and cottage industries are run by private entrepreneurs in India. These units have also contributed substantially in terms of production of consumer goods, creation of employment opportunities, creation of exportable surplus, etc. Number 7, employment. Although the contribution of the private sector towards employment generation in the organized sector employment is less than that of the public sector, it becomes enormous when we consider the unorganized segment of the private sector. In fact, about 80% of the working population of India are engaged in the private sector in both the organized and unorganized segments for their livelihood. And eighth is other contributions, regional balanced development, helping mobilization and optimum utilization of available resources, development of entrepreneurial skills, etc. are other contribution of private sector.